Hi, Adam. My name is Calvin Burkhart, and I work with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds, a digital marketing agency. And I happen to be doing some research in your area out near Dayton. I used to live in Columbus, Ohio, and I used to commute for work out to Beaver Creek all the time. And so I was doing some research in your area, and I came across you guys' website, and I figured I could shoot you guys over this quick video to give you guys 3 tips on how you guys can beat out your competition online. I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want to waste my time either. And so by the end of this video, if you guys can tell that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help grow your business online, please reach out to me and we can chat. Or if by the end of this video you'd like to just take the tips that I've given you to do yourself, that's fine too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. The 3 things I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. And so the first thing is content. That's basically anything that I can highlight on your front page, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and also what's behind the pictures could be included as content. Typically, Google would like to see about 1,500 words of content right on your front page. And I know that sounds a lot of words, but having that many words on your front page can really help you guys work in some keywords or key terms, key phrases that people are going to be using to search and try and find you for your services. And so having unique, authoritative content that does have keywords or key phrases that people are using to search is going to help you guys in the search engine and ultimately bring you guys some more visitors. So the second thing that I'm going to go over today is citations. That's right here. I did a search, landscapers near Xena, Ohio. And basically, the first thing that you're going to see is this map section. Now, you guys are already listed in there, but I bet you're wondering, how are you supposed to beat out your competition? So that has a lot to do with citations. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is a citation, Calvin, and how do I get those? So all a citation is, guys, is it's just your name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the web. So a directory could be something like Yellow Pages or Facebook or Yelp. Any one of those online sources that allow businesses to put their business information and list their services. It just gives you guys another avenue for people to find you guys on your website. So basically, going out and finding out where your competition is currently listed and what directories they're in, and then trying to get into those same directory listings as well. But you don't want to just stop at what your competition is doing. You guys want to make sure that you have more than your competition, so that way ultimately you guys beat them out in the map section. The third thing that I'm going to go over today has to do with this organic section down here underneath the maps. This is having to do with backlinks. And when you look at the internet, all you see is a bunch of different websites that are linking back and forth to one another. And so the internet's kind of like a popularity contest, and Google will see how many websites are linking to you guys and saying that you guys do offer landscape and construction type services. The more that you have linking to you, the more relevant Google will find your business whenever somebody's doing a search. And so using a tool that I like to use called Ahrefs, this gives me an idea of like what's working for you guys and also what's working for your competition. And so with this tool, I can see that you guys have 17 referring domains, giving you guys 67 backlinks. And in return, you guys are getting found for 20 keywords, which is bringing you on average 5 organic visitors. Now, if I go in the domains, I can actually see all the domains that you guys are currently listed in. And with your competition, all I'd be doing is basically looking to see where they're listed and where you're not, and then getting you in there as well. So looking at some of your competition here, like Dean's Landscaping, you can tell that they have 23 referring domains, giving them 187 backlinks, which is getting them found for 211 keywords, bringing them over 100 visitors each month to their website. And so in order to beat out your competition, you're going to need to utilize those 3 things. You're going to need more authoritative, keyword-rich content that's unique. You're going to need more citations, and you're going to need more backlinks to completely dominate this this industry. So if I go in here and look at what your competition's going after, obviously there are some name brand, but then there's also landscaping, Xena, Ohio, first place. And so that's bringing them some traffic. And if you guys want to capture some of that traffic too, you guys just take these tips that I've given you and then start putting those into action. Or if you'd like to find out more about how Mr. and Mrs. Leeds can help reach your business goals and beat out your competition everywhere, give me a call and we can chat. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I know I made it short, but yeah, if you would like to reach out and find out how we can help, give me a call. or just take these tips that I've given you to do for yourself. Thanks.